If you want to turn on notifications from your Android phone on the Redmi Watch 5, you have to start by opening Mi Fitness application, go to device, and now go into notifications and calls. Then go into call notifications, and here you have to accept all of these permissions. So in this place you will have to search for the Mi Fitness application and select allow notification access. Scroll, click allow, and then go back. Now when you are here, you just turn them on, and right here you can simply mirror phone notifications. So you will receive the same notifications that you have on your phone. Let's say that on your phone you turn off notifications from Facebook, then you will don't receive them on your watch. But you can also set custom notifications. For example, you can only receive notifications from messages, or for example from, let's say, Google Meet. And that's how you can do this.